الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام قل هلم شهداءكم الذين يشهدون أن الله حرم هذا فإن شهدوا فلا تشهد معهم ولا تتبع أهواء الذين كذبوا بآياتنا والذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة وهم بربهم يعدلون. Translation: Say, come and bring your witness to prove that Allah has forbidden all this. And if they testify, even then you should not testify nor be a witness to them. And do not follow the desire of those who deny our verses and of those who do not believe in life of hereafter, and who take others equal with their Rabb. In the previous ayahs, we studied about the things that these polytheists of Mecca made haram by their own opinion. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the strong reasoning that all these beliefs were wrong. And now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking that if they have any proof, any written proof, or anyone who would testify about these false beliefs, they should be asked. And if there are such witnesses, they should come forward. This is very, very unlikely that somebody would testify that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told him that these man-made rules of haram and halal are coming from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Even if a couple or few such sinful and senseless and characterless people come and give a testimony that these things coming from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you should not listen to them and you should not follow their desires and you should not go with them. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will take care of these people who deny the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and who follow their own desires, and these people don't believe in the hereafter and they make others equal to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has explained so far those things here in these ayahs that were not haram, and the polytheists of Mecca made those things haram on themselves by their own desires and their man-made rules. In the next ayah, we will study about the things that are made haram by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and save us from all kinds of shirk and all kinds of sinful acts. Ameen. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله.